iQOO 15 Ultra has officially arrived as a performance-driven gaming flagship in China. The iQOO 15 Ultra is available in 2049 silver and 2077 black color options, both aimed at delivering a futuristic visual identity. It will pack an active cooling fan and a unique design. The phone will feature shoulder triggers with a 600Hz sampling rate and separate control chips. The iQOO 15 Ultra comes with a 6.85-inch flat Samsung M14 AMOLED display offering 2K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, 8000 nits peak brightness. The device includes IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor built on a 3nm node, paired with an Adreno 840 GPU, UFS 4.1 storage, LPDDR5X Ultra Pro RAM, and the in-house Q3 eSports chip. Ships with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. The phone features a 50MP main camera, Sony IMX921, with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide camera and a 50MP periscope telephoto camera, Sony IMX882. The front camera uses a 32MP sensor. The iQOO 15 Ultra packs a 7400 mAh single-cell Blue Ocean battery. It supports 100W wired fast charging and 40W wireless charging. The 16GB plus 256GB model is priced at 5,699 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.